Jim Hudson here, live from SEMA 2021. Let's talk about the walkaway mode on the Revolution and how you can be in two places at one time. So I'll put my wheel in position here. Now I've already done one of these wheels, so I'm doing a set. I've already taught the machine the size. All at this point I need to do is set my new TPMS location, since with each new assembly that's going to change. So I'm going to teach it this TPMS location. It'll retain that for the rest of the tire change. I know my wheel size. I can go ahead and activate my D-mount and go ahead and activate walkaway. My stack light's going to be green here, showing me that the machine is working autonomously. I can go ahead and balance this tire now. So I did this tire previously. And here's how I can be in two places at one time. I'm changing a tire and balancing a tire. One person, two operations. Of course, I'm going to get a full diagnostic balance here out of my Road Force Elite. I've already got my balance numbers up here, so I can start to set my weight. It's going to check my Road Force variation right now with the load roller. Got an acceptable number here of 12 pounds. So I'm just going to go ahead and balance this wheel. Again, all while my tire changer is demounting this tire by itself. All right, Smart Spots shows me right where my weight needs to be. I'll do my check spin. At this point, my tire's done. I get a flashing green light to tell me that it's done. Just leaves the tire right there. So I can go ahead, start my mount for my new assembly. So for more information on walkaway, on the Road Force Elite, or any of the tire changers or the balancers in our lineup, check out hunter.com. Thank you all for watching.